Hello students, your English teacher is here. So in today's class we are going to study about complaint letter. So it is also important part of letter writing, important types of writing, letter writing. Students, sometimes we complain, and where do you complain? Do you know when you bought any product and it turned out to be defective, or sometimes you are not satisfied with the public service like telecom sector or any other services are there. And did you ever notice any problematic practice taking place at a public place? Any problems in your streets or in your surrounding? Have you faced any problem public at the public place? So what do you do in such situations? Think. Some take action and some don't. So at that time, we should not ignore, we should take action, we should write a letter to the authority. So now students, how many types of complaints are there? Two types of complaints we can say: personal complaint and professional complaint. In personal complaint, you can write on individual level pertaining to your individual grievance. You write your individual level. If your refrigerator is or your TV, mobile, fan is not working properly, then you write on your individual level. And in professional level, in professional complaint letter, you write on the behalf of the organization or the department, company. At that time, it affects the organization as a whole. So now, types of complaint, students, these are the types of complaints we do in our daily life. Misbehavior of staff or salesman, like you are going you went in a bank and the staff's behavior was not good. Okay, he or she misbehaved you, so you will write a letter to the PNB, the higher authority of PNB. So defective packings, sometimes we got any item already defective, its packing is not good. Late delivery of goods can be there. Shortage of goods, yeah, sometimes we don't get the complete or the whole product because of the shortage of goods. Next, a goods in damaged condition. If you got any items in already in damaged condition, then also you can complain. Or incomplete or defective order, the order is not complete or any defect is there, at that time you can also write. So these are the types of complaints we do. So now come to the point: format, students, it is the approximately same like letter to editor, inquiry letter, placing order letter. So first thing is that first step is there. You will write sender's address, then date, then receiver's address, and one line space must be there between all these things, all these points. Then salutation, write salutation at first before the subject, because it's the new scenario of CBSE, new pattern of CBSE. Salutation should be written before subject. Okay. Number 6, body. Okay, and body you can write 2 or 3 paragraphs. Here short introduction should be there in the first paragraph. It provides details about the product or service that is the subject of complaint. What can you include it? You can include the date, purchasing date of the product, location from where you purchase, any specification about the item or service. And you need to state the issue with the item or service. Tell the what is the issue, what is the matter, what is the problem. Provide complete detail as to cause. This include malfunction, it is not functioning properly, billing issue can be there, any other details are there. So indicate how you would like. Now क्या कर सकते हैं फिर उसके बाद, how would you like them to resolve your problem. आपकी समस्याएं का समाधान कैसे चाहते हैं. समटाइम इफ़ यू कंप्लेन ना, तो यू वांट योर सॉल्यूशन ऑल्सो. If your brother beats you, if you are complain to your brother or sister at that time, what you want your mama will beat him or her, then I will be satisfied. But in this case, in the product or service, you need to get your solution. Provide specific about what you want, कि इसको return करो, इसको repair करो, whatsoever is there you will write. Okay, so indicate you look forward to their reply within a specific time period. Okay, ask them that I am waiting for your reply, or indicate that they can contact you. You can also give your contact number or contact detail also. Last point is complimentary clause. In complimentary clause, you can write yours faithfully, yours truly, yours sincerely. Don't write yours sincerely. Your is wrong here. If you are writing uh, your brother, that is right, but here we can't write. Okay, before noun you can write your, and before adverb write yours pronoun. So I hope that all these 7 points are clear to you. Now move to the next part. Next is here a question is given here. In this question, you suppose you are Sanjeet, your address is given here Arjun Nagar, New Delhi, and a number of scooter and car. You are living in the city, okay, suppose, and number of scooter and cars parked in your locality without any order, without any management, so causing blockage of the street. So what you will do, write a letter to the local secretary of the residents association complaining against this problem. Secretaries होते हैं वहाँ पर, जो ये कॉलोनीज होती हैं सिटीज़ वगैरह में. So the address will be given. If not given, write your own address. Okay, so here both the address are given here, sender's address and receiver's address. So first of all you write receiver's address, and then date. Two formats are given here. You can write like that, but don't write like hyphen or slash, don't use them with them. Then receiver's address, you write post designation secretary like that, and Delhi is not mentioned in address, so here you can mention, because we are talking about Delhi, so address bhi Delhi rahega, city name must be mentioned. Then dear sir or ma'am, then subject complaint regarding the issue of bad parking habits in the locality. So you can write like that, I would like to draw your attention to the bad parking habits. You can start like that, I want to draw your attention, I want to inform you, like that. You can start like that, so you can read it. Next, complimentary last paragraph you can write, I request you to take strict action as this is leading to fight between the residents. Effective and speedy action expected. Okay, so then leave one line space, then write yours sincerely Sanjeet, or if your any post is there you can write a concerned citizen. No post is there, तो आप लिख सकते हैं a concerned an active citizen of the city, of the resident. Now you need to write this. Okay, right after getting all the ideas, I think you are able to write a letter to the SMT Corporation Chandigarh. You need to complain here about your wristwatch you recently bought and it does not function properly, and ask for replacement also. You are Deepak Gupta, your address is given here. So students, I hope that you enjoyed this session, and now this is the sample. You can get 5 out of 5 if you like write like that. ओके देखें आप, स्पेस देखें हर पैराग्राफ के बीच में, हर डेट के बीच में प्रॉपर स्पेस, एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से स्टार्ट है ये सारा कुछ. सो यू कैन गेट 5 out of 5 if you write like that. Nobody will deduct your marks. So students, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.